What up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time, but today I'm gonna be reviewing the $11 smartwatch. I got these on Wish for $11, so it was like $22. It was like $32 plus shipping and everything. I got the black model and I have the silver model. It also comes with two extra batteries. See that? Two little extra batteries. And it even comes with three little screen protectors so you could protect your smartwatch, which is pretty nice of them if you ask me. But anyway, let's open them up and see how they look. Alright. So this is how the black one looks like. Let me see, hold up. And this is how the silver one looks like. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyway, let's open them up now from their packages. Here's one of them. Oh, looks so nice. You see that? Can you guys see that? Yup, looks nice. And let's also look at the silver one. There you go. Camera, the little button, everything. Let's see if they have any battery actually, or if I need to charge them. But first, let's look inside the box. So in the box, this comes with the instruction manual and a little USB cable, because that's how they charge, like, or I mean with a USB cable. Unfortunately, it's not Type C, it's just regular USB. But you know, something. Now let's see if they turn on. Let me actually turn off this light real quick so you guys can see the screen. Let's see if they turn on. They turn on with this little button, I believe. Oh, there you go. Turns on. Can you hear that? And that is it. That was pretty fast to boot. We are greeted with a dialer. And this actually could work as an independent phone, by the way. You just put in your SIM card and it actually works. I tested it already out with the T-Mobile one, and it works right away. I did have a problem with Sprint though. I would put in the SIM card and it would say something like SIM is locked. You guys could see contacts right there. Go back with that. Press on the menu right here, and you guys could see Bluetooth messages, call logs, and calculator settings. Oh, Bluetooth music, which you could actually use it like a little Bluetooth speaker. And then folder, and what's all this? Let me see. Sleep monitor, reminder, and speedometer, I think. Calendar, and then pictures. Oh, sound recorder, and then alarm. And camera, of course. That's what you get. Now let's try out the sound recorder. Oh yeah, but I think I need a SD card. Maybe not. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, and not enough memory. Let's see. You guys could hear that. I already put the volume up on this. Did I even record anything? Hold up. Oh, I did. You could actually hear it, but let me see how do you put the volume up real quick, because I'm not too sure. You could actually hear it, but I don't know how to put the volume up. Let me see. Let me see if you could actually do it. Hold up. Give me a second, guys, actually. Oh, by the way, guys, it also comes with the browser, Twitter, and WhatsApp, and also Facebook. As you guys could see right there. I don't know if you guys how good you guys could see it on the camera. And I still haven't figured out how to put the volume up. Let's try again. Not enough memory. I think we're gonna need an SD card actually to actually record. I don't have one right now with me, but you guys get the point though. It has a little camera, and then you go back with this button, and then you get your watch faces, which that one's the regular one, and then I think you could swipe. Wait, let me check. Wait, oh no, you actually tap on it. I forgot. So you tap on it, and you get different faces, like that one, then this one, you know, like Louis Vuitton kind of thing right there. And that's all you get. You get one. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. You get three watch faces, which I mean they look pretty nice in person. Let's go back to the smartwatch. You get a calendar, alarm. Actually, let me set in. No, never mind. Let's look at the camera. Actually, I know the camera on this smartwatch. They're backwards for some reason. Let me see if I could turn this on. Can you guys see it? The light. But let me see if you guys can see a little bit of that of the computer. But yeah, anyway, the camera, it's alright, you know. Camera, it's a camera on the smartwatch. But I don't know, for some reason it shows backwards. I don't know why. It does that on all the watches. I've seen the reviews on it and all that. What else can we check out? Well, the browser, we can't really do anything with the browser yet, since it doesn't have Wi-Fi. You have to actually, if you want to use the browser or download a Facebook or Twitter or WhatsApp app, you gotta insert a SIM card, which unfortunately I don't have a T-Mobile SIM card with me right now. Otherwise we would test it out. You get messages, you would, you know, read your messages. You could send messages through here, you know, like a regular phone. You get a little calculator right here. I got a big finger, so yeah, I don't know if I could use that. Let me connect my phone to it, and so I could show you guys the speaker and how you could use it like a little Bluetooth speaker. So give me a second, guys, and I'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. So in order to connect it to your phone, you would go into Bluetooth settings and enable turn on visibility, and then from there you will look it up on your phone, and you know, you should pair with no problem. Now let me test the audio right here real quick on one of my videos actually. Let's see. Oh, it's turned off. Oh wait, there we go. Let's test it on one of these. Let's see. Can you hear that? You can use that as a Bluetooth speaker. The video's playing from my phone. Oh, you guys could see that? Let me see. Let me go back. Go to Bluetooth music. Oh, actually, did I click on it? Wait, it's being slow apparently now. But you guys hear it though, right? It's coming out from the speaker grill right here. What up, guys, and welcome back to another video. But anyway, you guys get the point. But yeah, guys, that's hopefully that's. Oh, now it wants to turn on. Yeah, well, you go into Bluetooth music like how I did right there, and from there you could If you're listening to like a playlist or something, you could skip the song, put the volume up, pause it, play it, lower down the volume. You can see the speaker is a little bit, it's pretty loud actually, a little bit loud. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. I mean, I wish I could show you how you could insert the SIM card and make a call with it. But right now I don't have a T-Mobile card, so sorry about that. And another thing, here's where you charge it. It comes with the little rubber thing right here. Let me try to get it out. There you go. And here's where you would charge it from. Oh, actually, let me turn on the light now, cause you guys can't probably see it. Anyway, yeah, look, you charge it from here, and that's it. It's just a little rubber, protecting thing right there. You just pull it out and charge it. I'll go back over here. Let me see, what else can I review really? I mean, I don't think there's nothing else I could do with, well, unless I have a SIM card. But is it worth $11? Of course it is. It's what are you gonna get for $11? Like, it's a phone. Basically, it's a phone. The battery life, I still haven't tested it out. But I mean, I had it on for a couple hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours when I first got it, and I was testing it out. But so far it's good. I mean, it takes pictures. I mean, the pictures are backwards on the camera, but they come out good. And basically, yeah, guys. I mean, $11. You guys can't beat that. I mean, it's totally worth $11. I would even argue it's worth more. I was thinking more like $80, $90. Around that price. But yeah, it has a microphone, camera, SIM card slot, and and by the way, it has an SD card slot, which I don't have right now either. And it comes with extra battery. So I mean, and 3 screen protectors. So I mean, you can't beat it for the price. But that's how the black one looks like. The white one's still the same one, same thing. The silver one actually. Let me see if this one has battery, which I don't think it does. Yeah, it doesn't have battery. But it's the same thing, guys. Silver one, black one's the same thing. The only difference is they do come with different softwares from what I have read. Like this one, the software that this one comes with feels a little bit newer than this one. I wish I could show you guys right now. Actually, let me charge it and show you guys the difference. But it does come with they do come with different softwares. I believe it goes from 1 to 5, version 1 to 5, and I'm not too sure which version either of these are, but one of these looks newer than the other one. And I know, I believe version 5 comes with when you like scroll through the apps. Like instead of like scrolling down through the apps like how I am doing it, like it has like a little animation, like a rolling animation. And it also comes with the FM radio, which you could get an adapter to connect some headphones to it, and then you could it also comes with the FM receiver, so you could use this as a radio if you buy an adapter that plugs into a charger. But let me show you guys, let me charge this one, and I'll show you guys the difference of what I'm talking about. So I figure I'm just gonna take the back cover off, which you just take it off through this little tab right here and just pull it, and the back cover comes off. And here's how the let me see. Here's how the battery, I mean, here's where the battery goes in, and as you guys could see right there, it has the SIM card slot right here, and the micro SD card right here, so you could plug it in. So I'm just gonna take the battery off that one and then exchange it with this one, since they use the same battery and I'm not trying to charge it really right now. take the battery off this one real quick. Alright, there we go. Took the battery off, and then we just plug it in right here. Put the cover back together and turn it on. There you go. You turn off the light. So yeah, you get greeted too with the dialer and the contacts and settings, and it's saying connecting right now to my phone, which I don't want to connect. Anyway, let's go into the menu. As you guys could see, this one has an alarm, messaging, and profiles and call logs, settings, calendar. It's like set up in a different order, as you guys could see. And on top of that, you guys could see the I don't know if you guys noticed on the other one, the icon, the battery icon is blue. On this one it's green. And then you could see all this information right here in the corner. The icons are moved around a little bit. Bluetooth calculator, Bluetooth, and sound recorder, gallery, camera, all the good stuff. Browser, Twitter, the icons even look different. And then Facebook and WhatsApp. Sorry about that, guys, my camera died. But like I was saying though, these watches are totally worth $11. If you're looking for a smartwatch that, you know, does everything, well, not almost everything, but does half of that, or probably even more than a regular smartwatch, for $11 you guys can't beat it. It comes with you know, SD card SD card port, and SIM card port, so you could use it like without your phone, and you know, make calls, send messages, whatever. Comes with the camera, microphone. What else can you guys expect for $11? But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a like, and like always guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out.